Hi everyone, welcome to Hot Machinery. I'm Barry. This time I want to introduce you our new model, HC-3500 automatic bevel straight edge bending machine. Compared with the old model, it is equipped with two pre-milling motors, so it is more suitable for processing thicker panels. And also, it is equipped with an adjustable profiling pricing system. So, it can not only do this kind of bevel straight edge bending, but also the traditionally straight edge bending and this kind of 45-degree edge bending. And now let's see the internal structure together. Pre-milling system, gluing system, adjustable pre-fitting pricing system, undercutting system, pro-fitting trimming system, flexible scraping system, and polishing system.